Hi everyone, my name is Alan O'Neill and welcome to my course on scraping web media. I'm an engineer and architect and my background is in enterprise systems. In this course, we're going to learn about how to scrape web media. Scraping web media is different from other forms of web scraping. This course is designed to give you the know-how and knowledge that you need to confidently acquire web media yourself. Some of the major topics we'll cover are different content types and how they relate to web media, different link extraction methods and how to use them, processing different types of web media such as images, video, audio and documents, how to extract useful hidden metadata in web media files, best practice for working with large files, and interesting use cases for media processing such as speech recognition. By the end of this course, you will understand why web media is different and how to approach acquiring different web media formats. Learn how to extract the links you need from web pages to be able to download web media. Be familiar with various methods for downloading web media files that you've identified. And finally, gain knowledge on the most common ways to process media files once you have acquired them. Before beginning this course, it would be helpful if you have already mastered the basics of web scraping to extract text from websites, but it's not at all compulsory. It would also be helpful if you have basic knowledge of Python, the language we'll use throughout the course, but again, not necessary. From here, you'll be able to continue your learning by diving into web data with other courses on web scraping in general, data analysis on the web media data you have scraped, using machine learning to gain insights using the web media data that you have scraped. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn how to scrape web media with the Scraping Web Media course at Pluralsight.